Luke? Luke with the yellow shirt? William? What was that? Oh man! Luke with the yellow shirt. I probably went, oh my god. Oh, come on. Come on. Who's gonna win, dude? Oh no.
What are you doing? Okay, let me show you how
You
to do it.
sexy motherfucker.
Yes, the first seven passes.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay. The stickmans though, okay. Jeez. Jeez, look at the yellow shirt. He's gonna get down. Come on, who's gonna win? Yeah. Oh my god. Yo, oh no. Oh no. There you go. Get woke, dude. You could get woke. Come on. Dude, dude, I swear, if Luke with the yellow shirt wins, I'm gonna flip shit. I mean, what? It's gonna be. Your body's shaking. I'm gonna shake this! Woo! Look at me! Dude, what? Wow. Wow. Oh man, you broke your bones. I swear, you just moved and broke your bone. Oh man. If I won't restart the fight, then I'm gonna fucking be. Oh, can we use that? Wait, okay, there. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah! Take that! Take that, you look with the yellow shirt. Jump. Whoa! Oh, that's okay. When the video just came out the way, dude! It's on TikTok. Tit fucking talk. Oh, it's cute though, cause it's the end for no reason for.